Did you know that frogs are nature's little helpers? No! Really! They help plants grow, spread, and even make it through the winter. How? Well, this is one of the many amazing facts about frogs that you will learn in this issue of Froggy Facts. I'm here to bring you all the latest news from the weird and wonderful world of frogs, and today we are talking about why frogs are so important to nature. Frogs come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. There are over 7,000 different kinds of frogs all across the world. The smallest frog is the Pediphrine amauensis, which is only about the size of a honeybee. The biggest frog is the Goliath frog, which can be almost 3 feet long and weigh more than 7 pounds. And did you know that some frogs can live underwater all their lives without ever needing to come up for air? These frogs have special sacs under their skin that allow them to breathe underwater. Pretty neat trick. But have you ever wondered why frogs are so important to nature? Well, let me tell you. Frogs are very sensitive to changes in their environment. This means that they can act like little sensors, warning us about problems like pollution or climate change. For example, frogs are very sensitive to changes in water quality. If the water becomes polluted, frogs are some of the first animals to show signs of illness. This means that by monitoring frogs, scientists can get an early warning sign of water pollution. Frogs are also very sensitive to changes in temperature and rainfall. This means that they can warn us about climate change and help us to predict droughts or floods. By studying frogs, scientists can learn more about the environment and how it is changing. This knowledge can help us to protect the environment and the frogs. Frogs are also very important to the ecosystem because they are predators. This means that they eat other animals, helping to keep their populations under control. Frogs are especially good at catching and eating insects. This is helpful because insects can be a nuisance to humans. They can also spread diseases, and some of them can even bite or sting. By eating insects, frogs help to protect us from these dangers. Some frogs also eat small fish and other aquatic animals. This helps to keep the balance in the ecosystem and make sure that no one species becomes too abundant. By being predators, frogs help to keep the environment healthy and thriving. Frogs are also an important food source for many animals, including snakes, birds, fish, and other frogs. When frogs are eaten, their bodies are broken down and their nutrients are recycled back into the ecosystem. This helps to keep the ecosystem healthy and balanced. Frogs also play an important role in agriculture. In some countries, frogs are farmed and their eggs are eaten as a delicacy. Frogs can also be used to control pests on crops. Some farmers even use frogs to control mosquito populations, which can help to prevent the spread of diseases like malaria. Finally, frogs are simply fascinating creatures that bring joy to people all over the world. People keep frogs as pets, and there are even people who specialize in breeding and selling frogs. Frogs are also popular in zoos and aquariums where people can learn more about these amazing animals and see them up close. So the next time you see a frog, remember that it is not just a slimy, jumping creature that lives in ponds. It is a vital part of our ecosystem that helps to keep our planet healthy and thriving. If you enjoyed this episode of Froggy Facts, please subscribe to stay updated on all things frogs. Also, be sure to tune in next time when we will be exploring another amazing amphibian. Until then, goodbye, and remember, frogs are not just slimy and gross, they are nature's little helpers.